Welcome back, everyone. Another episode of N.R.T. So our good friends over at Reliable Aftermarket Parts sent us out a whole bunch of parts for the x380. You use code N.R.T to save yourself 15% on their website. On today's video, we'll be unboxing this. On tomorrow's video, we'll be getting on videos on showing you how to correctly install the parts on the tractor. So tune in for that, and let's get the unboxing. I did already open this to check it out. It was a lot more nicely packed. So I'm really not gonna be able to slide this down here like that. We got the first belt. Then we got the second belt. And then we got the third belt. Then we got all new spindles for it. Because these spindles, I'll show you. I'll show you real quick. Put that down like that. Like that. I'll show you real quick. I already opened this one. Show you what the situation is. Got a little thread protector cap back on there until we're ready. Bolt it on. But as you see right there, this gold piece on the spindles on the unit right now, that piece protects the bearings, and it broke apart and it's not on there anymore. So the bearings, we're able to get all types of stuff in them, so the bearings are shot. So we had to get all new spindles. So I'll be showing you how to correctly install those, because for those that may not have done this before, they can watch my video and know how to do it. This is 3 new blades for the unit. They also sent me some gas can caps and nozzles, because I got a couple. I think I got like 5 gas cans at the nozzles. Who knows where they are, but with these I'll be able to put nozzles back on them so they don't spill. Now sent me this very nice notebook and 2 carabiners. Very nice. And then on top of that, they sent me a brush guard for the tractor. So this will definitely help protect that plastic hood. You know how those John Deere plastic hoods are, so definitely protect it before it gets broke, and be a nice upgrade. If it gets stuck, you have something to hook to now, because there ain't really many hook points if you get that thing stuck with those turf tires on it. So with this, you can hook a chain to it or weld a hook onto it or something, and you get yourself out. So once again, I want to say a huge shout out to Reliable Aftermarket Parts. They have sent me quite a few parts for the projects on the channel, including my Ford 7610 that I'm fully restoring. If you haven't checked out the videos on that, go check them out. It's pretty impressive. I mean, I'm getting down to the nut and the bolt. I mean, it's a full-on restoration, not just paint job. Everything's been replaced, fixed, everything. So go check it out and hit that like button for me. They also sent me some parts for the 580 backhoe that's been on the channel a bit. We got those hydraulic cylinders that were leaking fixed, and we installed a toolbox. Courteous of them sending that stuff out. Huge shout out to them for that, and huge shout out to them for this. And I look forward to continuing to work with them on the projects on the channel. And my end goal here is to help the DIYer figure out how to do stuff like this. Because I mean, I'm very mechanical inclined, but there is people that aren't mechanically inclined. They want to do this stuff so they don't have to take it to a shop. I mean, I don't trust every shop. There's some good shops out there, but there's a lot of bad ones too. So I like doing stuff myself, and there's probably a lot of people that would like to do this stuff themselves, because you save yourself some money and you get job done. And you save yourself even more money with discount code N.R.T. Save yourself 15% at Reliable Aftermarket Parts. They got everything from lawn tractor stuff to full big tractor stuff. They got parts for backhoes, skid steers, tractors, diesel, gas, old Fords, new John Deeres, all types of stuff. Go check them out. You won't be disappointed. And use that discount code for me. Help me out. Help them out. And I'll catch you guys on tomorrow, where we will begin to work on the x380 garden tractor. So we're gonna have to put all this stuff on it, besides gas caps, obviously. All this other stuff's going on, and this couple things here. But catch you guys tomorrow.